Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at a Samsung Galaxy M21. So first of all, let me tell you, whatever language you have on your phone, whatever symbols you don't recognize, the positions as well as the symbols now at the settings will be always the same. Okay, let's start. Just scroll down here and we will have here always the symbol for the settings here at the corner. So tap it. And then we have to scroll down to the point General Management. It is this point here with this symbol to adjust things. Tap it. And now we will need the first point, Language and Input. Tap it. And now we will need again the first point, Language. Okay, maybe you have also a list like me now, with your language here already. Then it's very easy. Then you just tap on the language you want to have and go on Apply on the button. Okay, then I have now everything in my language in German, so Deutsch. So let me turn it back into English that I can explain you it better if your language is not part of that list. So now I go here now in English, check on the blue button, and now I have English if I have my language here on that list. Okay, but what if your language is not here part of that list? We need now, as you can imagine here, the plus symbol. So for adding a language. Tap it. And now we take the language we want to have. Let's keep going on with English. And what is very nice now, we can choose now the dialect we want to have. No? Because English have many dialects. Maybe let's choose the dialect from Botswana. Why not? And go directly here on Set as Default. Then the English with the dialect of Botswana is now our language on the phone. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up because this would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for helping me. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in maybe, or just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much. And maybe until next time. Ciao.